Hello dear fans. What is the mainland? The continent, in another way they also say continent, is an array of the Earth's crust, a significant part of which protrudes above the surface of the world ocean. Therefore, the continent can be not only land, but also its underwater part. It is called peripheral. The very concept of continent means in translation, stick together. Thus, this structural unity of the canvas, defined as the continent, was initially established. Instructions. Step 1. It is necessary to distinguish continents from islands. These differences are more related to the geophysical properties of the latter. Thus, the continental crust is much older, larger, and lighter than the oceanic crust, which serves as the basis of the islands. However, many scientists are inclined to believe that some of the islands can be called mainland, for example, British, Newfoundland, and Madagascar, including oceanic ones, Bermuda, Hawaiian, and Guam. In a simplified sense, islands are a part of the land, surrounded on all sides by water and constantly rising above it. Step 2. It is believed that the mainland zone differs only in relative stability and changes depending on the geographical era. In modern, for example, there are 6 continents, the largest of which is Eurasia. Eurasia occupies more than a third of the entire land area of the planet. It is located in all 4 hemispheres of the Earth and is washed by 4 oceans. Further, in decreasing order of size, Africa, 30.3 million square kilometers, North America, 24.25 million square kilometers, South America, 18.28 million square kilometers, Australia, 7.7 million square kilometers, and Antarctica, about 14 million square kilometers. The latter is a unique geographic object that scientists never stop exploring. Its entire territory is covered by ice shelves, so it is still the highest continent in the world. The height of the surface of Antarctica is determined by more than 2,000 meters. Its ice sheet is considered one of the largest on the planet. Step 3. At the base of each continent there is one platform, and only Eurasia has 6, while the Arabian and Hindustan platforms, which underlie it, are considered alien to the mainland, because they are part of Gondwana and are adjacent to Asia. And although the borders for all continents are obvious, the border between Europe and Asia is conditional. This boundary is considered to be the lines of deep faults. Thanks for watching.